Phaphamani buthongweni bantwana bomuntu. Phakamisana amehlo enu libone imisebenzi kaNkulunkulu. He makes the non-existent to be, and to the old he makes new. He has filled the hungry with good things, but the rich has he sent away empty. The high and lofty one stretched out his hand. The universe trembled when he opened his palm and blessed. The skies thundered and the clouds gave rain. The hills danced and the seas sang. The highway stood still. The mountains fled and hid. The valleys rose and stood in awestruck wonder. This is the day that God has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Come and find rest. The doors are open. Dry bones arise. Stone hearts become flesh. You sick be healed, and you hidden be revealed. You blind must see, and you poor be made rich. For thou, Lord, has tried us as silver is tried. You brought us into a net. You laid affliction upon our loins. You caused men to ride over our heads. We went through fire